Hey everybody, I'm Archie. I'm a teen services librarian at Durham County Library, and today I'm going to bring you another episode of Totally Teen Time. Today I'm going to show you how to make lava lamps, and this video is presented by Durham County Library. The first thing you do is you get a pretty bottle of water from the store. It can be any kind of bottle that you like. I picked this one because I like the designs on the sides. And then what you do is you pour out most of the water. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to leave about 3/4 cup of water in the bottom of the bottle. And this water I'm pouring into the pitcher I will water my plants with. So, a little bit more. So we've left about 3/4 cup of water, you can see. And then we're going to add some vegetable oil. And you can just use, brand X vegetable oil. It doesn't have to be any particular kind. And we're going to use a funnel. A funnel is important because it keeps you from getting the vegetable oil all over the place. And I'm going to add that slowly. You can see the oil and the water mixing together, but really they don't mix together. The oil goes to the top and the water will stay at the bottom. And if you wanted to pursue this further, you could look into why that happens. Why does the oil go to the top and the water stay at the bottom? So next part is we get our food coloring. And I chose red. I thought that y'all could see the red easier. So you put in about 8 to 10 drops of food coloring, whatever color you like. And you can see the globs going down. And they're going to go down to where the water is. They're going through the oil. And then you want that to sit for a while. You want it to sit for maybe 10 minutes or so that the oil can completely separate from the water. Now, I did this earlier, and I let the water do that. I let it separate so that you can see that there's been some separation there. And the next thing I'm going to do is add some fizzy tablets. These are like anti-acid kind of tablets that you can get at the store too. And just break them up into 5 or 10 pieces. And then, or it can be less, you can put 4 pieces. But there are circles, so you just want to break them apart. And you just drop them down in there. And you see the lava. So the food coloring is coming up with the fizzy tablets. That causes that reaction. And these are a lot of fun to make. You can also just, once the fizzy stops, you can add more tablets and just kind of keep it going. And you can put the top on it, which is a good idea too. At nighttime, I've seen people get flashlights and they just put a flashlight on the top. And then you can just have the whole room have the design of the lava lamp, with the room being dark, of course. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. It's fun to do, it's easy to make, and we will see you again another time for Totally Teen Time. Take care. Bye-bye.